Look at 2017 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, fog lights, braking assist, perimeter alarm, power brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.